Hi guys, I have my center console off the E90. It's a 2006. Um, I was kind of cleaning it up. I figured since I had it out, I would fix my auxiliary port that keeps on falling into the center console. So it has a tab down here that's supposed to hold it from going back in, but it doesn't help much. So what I came to the conclusion is the port here, it has those metal tabs which hold it from coming back out up when you take off the cable. But it doesn't really, that tab doesn't really hold when you're pushing it in. So what I did, just got myself some Velcro, attached it to the port, attached the other piece to the tab. So let's go ahead and put it back in and see what it does. So go ahead and route your cable. Make sure it doesn't get obstructed with any other wiring. Make sure it doesn't get stuck on that tab. Then you want to put the Velcro piece on that side. Let's get back in there. Probably get one side in, push the other one down. You are gonna have that groove there. So what I do is I get my screwdriver, just kind of get it back in there. Let me switch hands here. Okay, sorry guys about that. There we go. So it's back in place. Let's try it out with the auxiliary cable. Okay, so it seems like it's in place. It is a little loose. I'm just going to go around the back, make sure that both Velcro pieces are attached. So I'm just going to go underneath here and just kind of push up on it, make sure that it's attached. Okay. Both pieces are making good contact. Your strongest point is going to be here. Don't try to push that in because obviously there's nothing on that side holding it in, so it's going to fall back in. But that's pretty sturdy. I'm pushing down with a lot of force and it's not going in. So by attaching and detaching your auxiliary cable, you shouldn't have any issues anymore. There you go. Hope that helps you guys out. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and leave it on the comments. Thank you.